Now that we have located our field and zoomed in on the imagery, we will use Summit's digitizing tools to acquire the field boundary. Notice that as we drag our mouse pointer across the imagery, the latitude and longitude change accordingly. This image is georeferenced, meaning that every part of the image has coordinate data associated with it. If you were to take a GPS receiver and drive out to the part of the map where the mouse is pointing, the GPS device would show the same latitude and longitude that is currently displayed at that point on the map. This means that when you digitize a field boundary from the image, it is practically the same as driving around the field's perimeter with a GPS. Now it is time to digitize a field boundary. First, we zoom into the field so as to maintain the accuracy of the acres. To zoom out, click the Zoom Out icon and it will incrementally zoom away from the field. To begin digitizing a field boundary, click on the Digitize icon. Notice that the cursor turns into a pen. Starting at one of the corners of the field, single-click the mouse button. Then, periodically single-click the mouse as you move along the boundary, laying down anchor points or vertices as you go. If the edge of the field is straight, you will only have to lay down a few vertices. However, if the field boundary curves, then you will need to lay down more anchor points in order to match the curve. As you drop the initial reference points, don't worry about being too exact. We will use the Edit Vertices feature to make precise adjustments. When finished, simply double-click the mouse button and the field boundary will close. If you double-click by mistake and close the field boundary before you are finished, you can use one of the clear options to undo your mistake, which will allow you to start over.